Today, we take you inside a luxury leather factory to show how premium jackets are made through a precise, high-end production process.
It begins in a calm and carefully maintained environment. Every moment reflects natural balance and consistency. Every moment reflects natural balance and consistency.
The environment supports natural behavior at every level.
Each action flows naturally within the space. And the process begins with calm, continuous motion. The transition begins from the ground to transport. Each step upward is calm and controlled. The movement continues in a smooth upward flow. From ground to Uldached, alignment takes form. The final entries complete the upward transition.
With loading complete, forward transport begins.
Each vehicle maintains precision in forward flow. The journey continues toward its fixed destination.
Consistency in motion ensures a seamless transition. Forward movement aligns with industrial precision. Unloading begins with controlled preparation. A guided path is created from truck to ground.
Each step downward remains steady and controlled.
The flow continues in a smooth downward transition. From descent to direction, movement continues forward. Unloading completes as the next stage begins. Every stage moves toward careful evaluation. Order ensures smooth entry into inspection. The inspection process begins with structured entry. Each check ensures controlled quality standards. The process flows with precision and consistency. With inspection complete, the next stage begins. The material enters its first transformation stage. Each stage ensures thorough and controlled cleansing.
Precision dosing maintains consistent treatment. Controlled motion ensures complete surface refinement.
The final rinse prepares the material for refinement. Cleaned material moves toward structural transformation. Preparation begins for structural transformation. Color and texture are stabilized in a natural form.
Uniformity is achieved without losing natural identity. Texture is refined, while natural character remains intact. The material stabilizes into its final natural form. Refined material now moves into precise shaping. Precision shaping begins from the natural material. Each cut defines the future structure. Every structure is guided by precise alignment. Production expands into structured components. Organization prepares for structured assembly. Preparation ensures flawless construction ahead. Separated parts now begin forming a complete structure. Structure takes shape with controlled precision. Each connection strengthens the final form. Detailing defines the identity of the product. Functionality merges with refined craftsmanship. Completion leads to final evaluation. Every finished piece enters final evaluation. Surface quality reflects the precision of production. Structural integrity defines final approval. Precision ensures uniform standard across all pieces. Only perfected pieces move forward. And this is how modern factories produce premium leather jackets from start to finish.